Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And tap Add to Wallet button. Now, focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Unfortunately, my internet is a bit slow. So next, let's select Loyalty and select the loyalty program you are participating in. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.